So when you're done with that, the next thing to do now is to pull down the cap on top of the mannequin head, like so. Okay, I'm removing the tip-in I secure the cap with. Okay, then pull it off. Grab your scissors. I think here is quite self-explanatory. Grab your scissors and then cut the cap in that particular spot, in that particular part you sewed your lace. Cut out the cap like so. Just watch closely for you to understand better. Just use your scissors and then cut out this part of the cap. Now why cutting? Be very careful not to cut your lace, because if a scissors touches this lace, you have to start from beginning to start doing this. Okay, instead of you cutting the lace by mistake, just give a lot of space in between the cap side and the lace side. Okay, I think it's safer that way. Okay, this is the part we'll cut out. We won't be needing this, so straight away that's it. So this is our lace thumb cap. Okay, now I'll be putting it on top of my mannequin head so you can see how it look. Now this saves you a lot of money buying the ready-made one, looking for where to buy it from. With this you can make all style you want. You can decide to ventilate throughout to have a frontal lace closure. Any style you want. With this you can achieve it. Okay, so this is what I achieved with my own. I did this beautiful style with mine. So if you want to watch how I did this very style, click on the next video to know how I achieved this very style. If you're still here till now, you are my real VMP, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching till now. I love you so much for your support so far, and I know I am owing you guys one video tutorial. The low cut wig tutorial is a promise. I'm gonna drop it for sure. So click on the notification button to know when I drop the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.